Let's just imagine in this situation, person A wanted to buy a house from person B, but neither of them want to give up their asset first. So they went to an escrow agent, and the agent checked both of the assets given by both parties for $4,000.
Why would I spend $4,000 for that?
So let's duplicate this situation with the digital element to set up a contract. If, when, and equals then in code. That will place the autonomy over the transfer of assets, of course, without the heating fee. Smart contract is a form of digitalized contract that has no favor over either parties. That's just released on a set of code, predetermined conditions that cannot be changed, as well as the agreement between parties. Realistically, a bank does the same for loans. An insurance company also does for their accident claims. In the financial world, a contract can resemble the trust between people, and now it's run on a blockchain. Currently, the most popular smart contract available is Ethereum, and one of the main components is the Ethereum virtual machine, which has the capacity to run smart contracts. Ethereum uses the language Solidity as developed others such as Ethereum Classic, Avalanche, Tron, and Hedera. You can develop your own smart contract by using other languages such as Rust, JavaScript, and Viper. In order to let the smart contract run smoothly, it needs to be audited to cover loopholes, logical flaws, clear execution routes, bugs fixed, and hack prevention. The beauty of smart contracts is that we won't have to know anyone to trust anyone. Smart contract will be the next step in digitizing trust. Do you think so? Let me know in the comments.